In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a navigation menu on Wix. Whether you're creating a website for your business, your portfolio, or just as a personal project, a well-organized navigation menu is crucial for enhancing user experience and guiding your visitors through your site efficiently. First, let's head over to the Wix website editor. Once you're logged into your Wix account and have opened your site project, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see the option to Add Elements, which is your starting point for building and customizing your site. Click on Add Elements, and a panel will appear with a variety of different elements you can include on your page. In the Add Elements panel, scroll down to find Menu and Anchor. Clicking on this will present you with several menu options. From here, you'll want to focus on the Menus section. Within this category, you'll see several types of menus, including horizontal menus, which are commonly used for primary navigation at the top of your website. Click on Horizontal Menus to see the available designs. Now comes the fun part, choosing your menu design. Wix offers a range of stylish and modern design options that you can select based on your website's theme. Remember, this menu will be a significant element of your website's appearance, so choose a design that complements the overall aesthetic of your site. Once you've decided on a menu style, click on it to add it to your page. After you've added your menu, you'll want to tailor it to suit your website's specific needs. To do this, click on Manage Menu. This option allows you to fully customize the elements of your navigation. You can rename menu items, reorder them, or even link them to specific pages within your site or external URLs. Managing your menu is crucial for structuring your site's content in a way that makes sense for your audience. Next, you'll want to click on Navigate. This essential step is where you map out where each menu item will lead. Clicking Navigate allows you to assign different pages to each menu link, making sure that your visitors can seamlessly move to important sections of your website with ease. This feature ensures you're directing your audience exactly where you want them to go, improving the usability of your site. Finally, it's time to choose which pages you want to include in your navigation menu. Think about the main categories of your site and select pages that are the most important for your audience to access. This could include pages like Home, About, Services, Blog, or Contact. Selecting these will automatically update your navigation menu with direct links to these sections. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step process for adding a navigation menu to your Wix website. By following these instructions, you're ensuring that your website not only looks great, but also functions smoothly, providing your visitors with a user-friendly experience.